Welcome to the Standing Pilates class using a resistance band. This is going to be the perfect routine to energize the body. We're going to do some work to really ground down into the floor, feel vertical, work on posture a little bit as well. So we're going to pack a lot into this short class. Hi, my name is Beth and welcome to Trifecta Pilates. This is a place where we come together on the Pilates mat for an effective workout so you can step off your mat and enjoy your day. If you're ready to get started, grab your resistance band and join me. Let's begin in a standing position, parallel with your legs and feet if that's comfortable for you. And now take your arms down towards the floor. And before we move with your breath, I want you to feel the connection, feet to floor, floor to feet. Sometimes we're in a hurry to rush into a Pilates experience, but I really want you to feel strongly connected, feet to earth, earth to feet. Feel that engagement in the legs here. Inhale. Exhale. This awareness will really help you throughout the class, especially once we get into a little bit of balance work. Next time you inhale, reach arms up towards the ceiling. Feel longer. And exhale, arms reach forward. Now, as you continue, I encourage you to move with your breath, not mine. So as you breathe out, arms lower. And whenever you breathe in next, you feel the arms float up to the ceiling, energize, reaching taller. You can keep this movement here, where arms reach ceiling, arc behind on your exhale, arms reach ceiling, and arc in front. So still feeling nice and grounded and anchored with feet, stable with legs and spine. You're breathing, moving the arms. You can shake the head if you'd like. So this isn't about the neck. One last time. Mixing it up. One arm reaches to the ceiling, reach arm back behind, opposite arm ceiling in front. So arm ceiling, back behind, ceiling and front. Breathing in to out. Arms in front, reverse your direction. So a little variation compared to that first exercise or motion we did. One last time. Next time arms reach in front, keep them there. Roll yourself down and place the band underneath the feet. Come standing and just let your arms be long and straight. Light grip with the band. Bend the knees straight. Bend and straight. Breathing in and out. Push down through with your feet here. Now you can keep the band and the arms right where it is, or bring your hands up towards your pelvis. They'll just add a little bit more extra to the movement here. Won't necessarily be too challenging quite yet. 2 more times. Now open one leg out, bend both knees. Open opposite leg out, feet down, bend. Goal, can you stay vertical with your spine rather than tipping your shape over? So think more vertical. Maybe that challenges your balance a little more. That's okay. Keep breathing and moving through. We have one more time. Each side. Both feet down, bend and straight. Bend and straight. Remember, arms can go more straight. You can also ditch the band for this sequence or for the whole class as an option. Now, next time legs go straight, keep them there. Bend just one knee. Press back with the thigh. Press, press. Again, try to stay as vertical as you can. Supporting foot, feel that full foot press down in to the floor. Both feet down, bend the knees one time, straight switch sides. You got press, press, press. Using your deep breath. If you lose balance a little bit, that's okay. One last time, feet down, bend the knees, straight. Now roll yourself down, one time through. Roll back up. Take one foot now out of the band. Make sure the band is on the arch of the opposite foot. That way it won't snap up at you. Hands anchor back to pelvis and bend the knee. Push to straight. Bend thigh. Push to straight. Breath in and out. So again, stay vertical. Try to maintain that balance. This isn't about how fast you can do the motion. Feel the nice, gentle engagement into the band as that leg pushes to a straighter position. One last time. Bring the thigh up and take the foot out. Switch out your sides. So find the band underneath the foot, not necessarily the toes. Hands anchor when you're ready. Bend, push. Staying vertical with the body. Inhale to exhale. If you have to tap that foot down for a little balance check, that's okay. I just had to do that. You may notice a difference, one side compared to the other. I know I always do. 2 more times. Very nice. Bend the thigh, take the foot out, press both feet down. Go back to that knee bend. Press. No band this time. Just have your hands on the band where we began, so maybe a slightly more narrow grip. Now keep the legs straight. Reach arms to ceiling. As the arms lower down, lift the heels. Arms reach ceiling, heels down, and lift. So a little combo arms and legs. If you don't like this, go back into just arms, do just legs. Or you're trying this little coordination motion. Heels stay down, arms stay lifted. And then reach your arms just parallel to the floor. Small rotation with your spine and center. Switch sides, so rotate opposite way and center. So you're just ever so slightly pulling out on the band. Nothing too forceful. Feeling legs, pelvis stay nice and still. Stay center, reach arms to ceiling, arc them behind you. Now they're part way behind you, so they're not all the way down. Pull out on the band and start to lift your chest up, 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 and return. Let's try that again. Lifting, inhale. Exhale. So a nice spine extension, maybe band helping you a little bit. 2 more times. One last time. Arms reach up to the ceiling. Very nice. Let the arms come in front of you. Now pull out on the band, side bend. Come center. Pull out band slightly. Side stretch, side bend, center. And as you're doing this side bending motion, still feeling pelvis stay still. Now, if you're noticing your hands, you've been holding the band for a long time, maybe working grip strength, that's not a bad thing. One last time. Very nice, arms in front of you. Roll your spine down. Think loose grip. Rolling down. Inhale. Exhale, rolling back up again. Inhale. And exhale, rolling down. Inhale. As you roll up, your inhale, reach arms up towards the ceiling. Give a little spine extension. Arms ceiling, roll down. Let's do that 2 more times. Feel free to bend the knees. Strong legs, no matter where you are in this motion. And keep breathing. One last time through. Rolling up. Arms reach. Rolling down last time, just so that you can take that band off to the side. Roll yourself up, staying vertical. Keep breathing in and out. And go into your knee bend. Small knee bend, no band, no hand work, no extra awareness from the band. Feel that connection, that press down with the legs, pull up with the feet. And next time legs go straight, keep them here. Inhale, arms reach. Get that length with the spine. Exhale, arms lower down. Let's do that 2 more times. So feel activated in your standing position, strong. Breathing deeply. And also finding, where can you find ease? We'll focus in on that to end. So press down into the feet, strong legs, natural curves of spine. Continue breathing. Where can you find ease? Hips, abdomen, back, shoulders, neck. Hey there, if you liked moving with that class and you're really looking to establish a strong foundation with the Pilates method to get stronger and more flexible, more mobile, the best thing that you can do is follow a plan. You can do this by moving with the 7-day at-home Pilates challenge. Whether you're brand new to Pilates or you're just getting back into Pilates after some time off, this is a perfect series to set you up for success with the method. 7 workouts, beginner level, giving you time and space to find the right variation for where you are right now. And when you do that, that's how you're going to get stronger and more flexible in a way that makes sense for you. All that you need to do is sign up using the link below in the first comment. After you sign up, we'll send you all the details and the first workout so you can get moving with Pilates. I hope that you have a beautiful day, and I cannot wait for you to join me on the mat.